Hey, we're back at it. Fritz here. I have a purpose to the video, as usual. It's just one of the many things I come across in my travels doing these floors. Particular purpose of this video is if you look down here, you can see this huge gouge right here. And I'm trying to really give you a good visual here, people. The surface is gone. Alright, and basically what happened is this was done by a delivery guy. They had their washer and dryer delivered, and the homeowner's describing me this, so I'm kind of repeating to you what he told me. I was hoping to get him to tell you guys, but he's camera shy. So anyway, though, basically they were bringing in the washer, it kind of tilted, which tilted the dolly, and it's all, he said it just dug it. So purpose of the video, people, is one, be on top of the delivery guys and make sure that you're just kind of watching them and that they have some kind of safety precautions, you know, like pre-planned, like they should cover this with something that they're going to roll their dolly on or something like that. And two is keep all your extra tile. Like once you have these installed, keep the extra tiles. When stuff like this happens, you have a matching tile to put in. You have the extra grout to put in. So that way, because now, like right now, this tile's ruined, people. I can't fix it. I can't patch it. I can't take some magic putties and epoxies and none of that stuff. It's not going to work. So purpose of the video, people, is two things. Delivery guys, keep an eye on them, because as much as they're trying to do their job and you know, stuff happens, alright? Two, keep extra tile, extra grout from your projects. Even if it's 10 years from now, 15 years from now, I promise you, you will not regret it, because at some point you will need this stuff. Keep extra tiles and extra grout, so if stuff like this happens, you have extra stuff, because what's really going to happen is, now that we go to replace this, you don't have extra stuff, now we got to guess. I think it's this tile, I think it's this color grout. So now, instead of this here, we have a different tile with different colored grout, and we have a different problem. So now the scratch is gone, but we have a different tile with different colored grout. So either way, it looks stupid. So remember, purpose of the video is keep all your grout color, the name of the brand of the grout, keep extra tiles, especially with the terracotta. They already tell you to order 10 or 15% extra. Do that. You're gonna need them, I promise. Purpose of the video, once again, keep your grout, keep your tile. Stay informed, people. Stay informed. Like and subscribe, share. I'm out. Damn, that is really bad. I just literally took off like this much of the surface, man.